This is pond life. That's a grackle. See the long tail, iridescent colors, and a yellow eye. That's a grackle. Oh shit. 2 great blue herons and a snowy egret in the middle. The snowy egret's the white one. The great blue herons are the big ones, the grayish ones. This here is a greater Yellowlegs. It's a shorebird. Has yellow legs, of course, and a long beak. 3 inches long. That's the osprey nest. I believe that the osprey, yes. You can see the top of the head, you can see the white head. The osprey sitting in the nest right now. And the male, I'll show you the male. He's in a tree. Hold on. We have to run over here real quick. On this side. There's a greater egret. Yes. The male's right here sitting in the tree. It's a male osprey. The female's in the nest. You can see her now. You can see the top of her head. She's looking around. The male's watching, make sure she's okay. And here we have that's a greater egret. Ooh, what do we have right here? Canada goose. A little bit of everything. There's a mallard back there. Osprey nest. Osprey.